Hey everybody, I'm Leon and welcome to another video. I make content every single day focused on video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if you are interested, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on. So in today's video I'm basically going to be showing you how to make your video editing software run faster on Windows 10. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump into it. Okay, so this first way of doing it is actually specifically for my Premiere Pro users. So what you want to do first is go to Edit, Preferences, Media Cache, and simply go to or click delete on remove media cache files. Now what this is going to do is it deletes all the cache files that you have when obviously videos are saved up and all that stuff like that, and essentially it just deletes all the cache files and makes your video much smoother to actually play through. Just click delete. Okay, so this second way unfortunately only works for you Windows users as far as I know. So what you want to do is essentially just click on the, right click on your task manager, go to, task manager, or the taskbar, and essentially just adjust that. More details, formant, no details or something, and and essentially what you're going to see right here is something called set priority. So as you can see, you got low, below normal, normal, above normal, etc, etc. So just go to either above normal or high. So just to play it safe, I'm going to go with above normal. And essentially it's going to ask, do you want to change the priority of Adobe Premiere, changing the priority of certain processes could cause system instability. Again, do it at your own risk, I guess. Click change priority, and essentially it's going to make it run much faster. And the third way of doing this is actually much more simpler than pouring a glass of water. So just come over to your browser. This is the most obvious, I'm sure everyone knows, the old-fashioned way. Just either reduce the amount of tabs you have open, or just close your browser, and essentially your computer will stop giving so much data to the actual to your browser essentially. And that's it. And that essentially is how you make your video editing software run faster. If this video was helpful to you, then be sure to subscribe with the bell on for more videos. Leave a thumbs up and share the video around to boost its search rankings and help the channel grow much bigger. And leave any questions or feedback in the comment section, or pop me a message at LeonOfficial17. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care everybody.